Welcome to the final part of our boats game, and in this video we are going to finish our game by making it end when the boat eats something. Now to do that, I'm still in the boat sprites that says up. Let me change this to boats. Okay. So the next thing I need to do now is go to control and pick forever. And if you are just joining us, you have to see the previous video to be able to continue this last video. Pick forever in control. Still in control, pick if, then put it inside, and then go to operator and pick the O or operator, which is this guy. So the or operator only checks when one is true. So if A or B do something, so if A is true and B is false, it does something. If A is false and B is true, it still does something. So I'm going to say go to sensing, pick touching. So let me just bring this down. Okay, why is this not inside? Put this inside here. And put this inside here. So I'm going to say if touching rocks or if touching hedge sprites 1. Okay, I named it sprites 1. It should be border. So this should be border. And when you go back here, you see border. If touching rocks or border, go to looks and pick switch backdrop to game over. And then go to control and pick stop all. If I should stop this, I'll start it again. And see game over. So I have to click on the green flag again and then game over. Okay, so let me play it one more time. So let's see what size score I can take before I end the game. Okay, so my high score is 15. Let me see if we can beat my high score. Now, and that is it. You just beat a fun boat water game in Scratch. Try adding your own challenges, maybe faster rocks or different waves. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Scratch tutorials.